Hi, I'm Helen.
I'm Trevor.
We are
Cocoloco.
We're making a show called Shangri-LaLa. It's part of the So Festival in Skegness.
Last year we did the show at Great Yarmouth and it was a big hit. So we're going to try to do the same show with different people this year at the So Festival. We need people who can do a bit of acting. Maybe someone can turn a sound system on and off. Maybe someone doing some stewarding. It's going to be a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. We are actually funnier than this video. And so we're asking for volunteers.
There are many sorts of utopias. There are socialist, capitalist, feminist, naturist, left-wing, right-wing, egalitarian, reformist, escapist, anarchist, monarchist, matriarchal, patriarchal, hierarchical, ecological.
Socialist, capitalist, feminist, racist, left-wing, right-wing, egalitarian, reformist, naturist, anarchist, monarchist, matriarchal, patriarchal, hierarchical, ecological.
And there are levelers, ranters, diggers, climate activists, analytic, atheistic, scientific, psychedelic, democratic, free love, LGBTQIA+, many more utopias.
Socialist, capitalist, feminist, racist, left-wing, right-wing, egalitarian, reformist, naturist, anarchist,